Hello Nanny Beats! Mum's told me that you're still loving cheese toasty, but nor her or Linda can make them as good as me. Obviously. So I've decided to make a little tutorial video so they can improve their toasty making skills and you can get a great sandwich even when I'm not there. Sound good? Let's go and get the ingredients. So to start with, the Nanny classic white fluffy bread. Next, you're going to need butter, and lots of it. You need to butter both sides. Spread the butter right to the edge. It's important. So all sides of the bread are buttered. When you put it in the pan, it's going to go nice and brown on both sides and it's not going to stick. So there, you've got your buttered bread on both sides, all four. Next up, you need to put the pan onto a high heat. Gordon Ramsay says you should never put stuff into a pan when the pan's not hot. Don't know why, but it's what Gordon Ramsay says. Get your cheese ready, and it's the holy cheese that Nan likes. The pan's hot, let's go. Because we buttered the bread on both sides, it's not going to stick. So down it goes. Get the cheese. You want to get the cheese straight away because it's important that it melts. One slice of holy cheese. Now that pretty much covers the whole thing, but you want an even hand, so I cover up the holes and I make sure it goes on the corners. So probably about 2 slices of cheese. Salt first. Pepper. If it looks like too much, it's okay because Nan loves pepper. Now, I want to put the lid on. That pepper's strong. And you want to flip. And how good does that look? I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit because I really want that cheese to get really nice and melted. And I'll even put more pepper on the outside. Just a dust, a little dusting. Grab your pickles and you lay them evenly on the inside, and they've got to be even because nobody wants a mouthful of pickle, of just pickle anyway. Ouch. Evenly distribute the pickles or gherkins or whatever Nan has in her cupboard. Press it down if you want some nice tiger spots. And a fun little fact for you, when you put toast straight on a plate, because it's so hot it causes the condensation on the plate, so I always put a napkin down so the sandwich doesn't get all soggy. And remember, we're looking for cheesy, toasty loveliness. And there we go. A cheesy, pickly, yummy sandwich that Nan will love. Really good. Nan, I really hope you enjoyed the video. It was really nice for me to be able to make something that was just for you, and I hope you get better toasties because of it. I can't wait to see you soon, and you're going to be the first person I come and see when I'm back home. I love you lots. And I just need to remember to look into the camera.
Obviously.
Sound good? Let's go and get the ingredients. Which is the exact same way I did it as the first time, which is what I didn't like about it.